Okay, we are officially live. All right, question 3. I have C. Liana?
I have C also.
4C?
I have C as well.
Okay, 5. I have... Okay, B? What do you have for
I have C as
5, Liana?
well.
Okay, 6, C.
And
7, I have 4.
6,
Why do I have 4?
I have B. 7, I have.
So wait. This one we're probably gonna have to stop on for a second. Richard, you have 40. Okay.
Because it says n times p needs to be equal to or greater than 10. 0.4. Then
Okay.
it's 40 times 0.4 equals 10. Wait, that would just be 10, right? No.
Yeah, so I guess the smallest, so 10 then, right?
Divided by 0.4, so I'm wrong. I think it's 10 divided by 0.4.
0.4.
0.4.
9, I have 0.1.
Times 0.4.
And then 10, I'm not sure. I think I have it wrong. I have 0.30.
We're sorry, Eliana. We're still going
So
over
I'm at
7.
25.
Oh,
You're at 25? Okay. Okay, let's just put, I'm okay with putting 25, just get to see if we got it wrong or right. Okay, so.
Did she also get 25 then?
What did you get for 7 again?
wait. You keep cutting off. I couldn't hear you.
Oh, wait, it's 1/4. It's 0.25, so 10 divided by 0.25, so that's 40.
Okay. What did you get for 7, Eliana?
Yeah,
For
so I'm
7,
at
I
40.
have 4.
Okay, I think it's 40.
Okay. I can't hear
Okay.
you. What did you say? I can't hear you. Can you hear me?
Okay. No, yeah, we can hear you just fine. The answer is, we think the answer is 40.
Okay. You both have 40,
Okay.
then.
Okay.
0.4.
8. Does she not know? She got 0.4. Ileana, we're able to hear Richard pretty well. Here, Richard, can you say something over the computer?
Sure. Can you hear me at all?
I can hear you. Now I can hear you.
I can hear you fine. But Ileana, you're having trouble hearing us. So why don't you give me a call?
Okay.
I hung up on you, Richard. Sorry. Yeah, Ileana, why don't you call me so that you can hear us?
Okay, hold on. Let me check on my.
Through my computer.
Okay. Well, I can hear you now.
You can hear me now?
Not sure why, but.
Okay. All right. 8. We have.
So you guys have my answers.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You have 0.4 for 8, Ileana?
I do.
Okay. 9.
0.1.
Okay. 0.35 for 10.
For 10 I have 0.30.
We both have 0.35.
Okay, then you're probably right.
Okay. 11. 0.046.
I have 0.4 because aren't we supposed to round it to the third decimal? So yes.
Okay.
Sorry.
You're okay. All right. 12.
Okay.
I actually have a different number, Liliana.
1.08.
87. Okay, I'll switch to your guys's then. Mine was only a couple of points off that. 13.139.
0.139.
Okay, I must not have rounded correctly. 38. So, okay, 14.011.
I didn't get to 14 or 15 or 16. I only got to 13. Sorry.
Okay, I got 0.011 as well for 14. I have a different number, but I don't trust my number. Richard, what did you? What numbers did you use? Do you for 14 for 15? I mean. Hey, Richard, are you able to hear me?
No, you hung up on him, remember?
Yeah, but I thought he could hear me on the. Okay, I'm gonna call him back.
Yeah.
On the computer before. Looks like he accidentally dropped off. Okay.
Yeah, I'm sorry. I couldn't get to 14, 15, or 16.
Hey, man. Okay. 0.03.
Please leave your message for.
Hello.
Hey, the internet at this church building went down for a second.
Hey, no worries. Okay. Are you able to see question 15?
To see 15?
Yeah.
Wait a second.
Sure.
Yes.
Okay. I just wanted to know. I just wanted to see what you what your like the equation put down or when you figured it out. Does that make sense?
15.
You want to know what my answer was, or you want to know how I got my answer?
How you got your answer?
Okay. So what I did was I used the standard deviation thing,
Yeah.
where you have p times 1 minus p divided by n.
Yeah.
And then I took the value minus the mean, and I just divided it by the standard deviation.
Okay. So it should have ended up. What is the top supposed to look like for that? So what did you end up using for? Because we were essentially figuring out. So we were figuring out the standard deviation. P. 1 minus 1 p.
Standard deviation is 14.
Yeah. Well, standard deviation we got. Well, it was 0.011 was the standard deviation.
Yeah, I meant question 14.
Deviation.
Yeah, I was meaning.
meant
Okay,
question
so the
14.
z-score. So it's p with the asterisk over it, right? And that what number is that?
Okay, so p is 0.52, and
Okay.
then I used, that's the actual p, and then for the other one, I used
And I
0.499.
0.4199. Okay.
No, just 0.499.
Oh.
Because it said that, which, lost getting less than 50% of the vote. So I decided
So
0.499 is losing.
And
that makes
That's the
complete
act-
sense. That makes complete sense. I was wondering because I did yeah, my calculations didn't make sense. I tried to use the actual number in the equation, but 0.499 makes way more sense. Okay, so I'm going to trust your answer then. -1.88.
I'm not sure I'm right. I just think that that's the most logical answer.
I think so too, actually. Mine was like -40 something, and I'm like, that doesn't make any sense. But
I'm not sure.
it was all I had.
Yeah, it's not a very good z-score.
No, it's not. Okay, so with that number, then your 0.03 makes sense as well. Okay, so For 15, it's negative
Yeah,
1.88 and 16.03. All right. I'll submit. I'll submit and see
I
what
can
we
go ahead and
got.
submit.
What?
I said I can go ahead and submit. I didn't have the last three, so I'm okay to submit.
Oh, okay. If you want to submit, that'd be cool.
Okay. Okay, it looks like we missed 15 and 16. Those are the only ones. Now, 15 and 16, and I have negative 1.88 for 15 and 0.03 for 16.
Okay.
Which is what you both have, right? Because I got that answer from both of you. So let me see.
I wonder if my negative 42 was actually right, because I remember it was basically saying the likelihood of guessing wrong was almost 0, which actually kind of makes sense.
Which question are you talking about?
We're at 15, so for 15, the true proportion of people who support a political candidate.
Hold on, we have the correct standard deviation, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
The thing wrong is.
Here's the thing, is that, so if we have the correct standard deviation for P, and then, 50 is less than 2 away from the actual mean, right?
Mm-hmm.
So if it's less than 0.02 away and our standard deviation is 0.011, then it would have to be less than negative 2.
Yeah, you're right. What the heck?
But the thing is that assuming that 15 and 16 is wrong,
yeah,
my guess is that most people, instead of saying, I did like 499 because I was trying to get close, I was basically saying that usually they like us to use 3 decimal places.
Sure.
But most people are just going to think 0.49, 49%.
Well, let's try it with 0.49. See what we get.
Especially since they're using a full percentage, 52%.
Okay.
Most people would run to 49, but I just thought they wanted us to be more accurate because they're always checking for 3 decimal points.
Look, well, they are asking for their decimal point, so that makes sense. That it would be there.
Two. So, if you go with 0.49, I have negative 2.68. 2.6. Sorry, negative 2.685. Does everybody else have that?
I have negative 2.727.
Okay.
But I just did negative 0.03 divided by 0.011.
Oh. That might actually be what they want then, because I did the actual. I plugged the whole thing into the equation. I did the whole equation. Like 0.49 minus negative 0.52. Why don't we try?
Well, that would be negative
Yeah, negative 0.03. Yeah, but then I did, instead of just doing 0.011, I divided by the entire, I did the entire equation. I did square root of, does that make sense? So there could have been other error. So
I guess yours would have been a little bit more accurate, assuming you did it right.
Assuming I did it right. Well, I'll put in mine and submit it.
So what is it?
And then I'm probably just
The
gonna,
other thing
yeah.
is I wouldn't be too terribly surprised if they just used 50%.
Yeah.
So I tried solving it, and what I got was negative 45.563.
Okay.
Thing is that 50% is awfully close to 0.499, so that might have given us the answer had it also been 50%.
Yeah, I don't know. Eliana, the problem we're running into is I'm assuming you used for the P for the percentage or whatever. Did you use 0.5 or what did you use?
For the P, solving for the C-score, I entered 0.011 minus 0.52. Does that make sense?
That's not really making sense to me right now. But
Hey, how about this? You haven't submitted it in yet, have you?
No.
How about we put in the Z-score for, like, say, 0.49, and then we use the probability for 0.50.
The probability from 0.50?
Yeah. So basically what that would do is that would try both of our guesses, and we'd be wrong for sure on one of them, but then we'd know if we're wrong on both of them.
Okay. So 0.50, what do we look at? Probably serial show the candidate. Okay, can you do that math real quick then, Richard, for 16?
Sure. Uh, 0.0345. So 0.035.
Okay. All right. Okay. Submitting now. Well, we got 16 right and 15 wrong. So it looks like they were wanting 50.
So they want us to use 50%.
Yep. Okay. All right, guys, I gotta head off. I'll let you guys figure out the rest. But anywho, good job.
I can't seem to. Well, I guess you'd have to call me, but I think we got all the answers right, right?
We got all of them, other than 15.
Well, 15 would just be
Yeah.
The Z score for that.
Yeah, all of them. So yeah, the only one we missed was 15. So we got everything else right.
So the Z score for 15 is negative 1.82 or negative 1.818.
Okay. Negative 1.818. Okay. All right. Well, I'm probably just gonna keep the 94. I have, like I said, I have guests so in the other room, so I gotta run. But okay.
Dude, that's fine. Does she want to talk to me, or is she good?
Eliana, do you want to talk to Richard?
Yeah.
Okay. Can you two call each other?
Oh, actually.
I don't remember if I have her phone number.
Okay, I'll forward it to you, Richard.
Sure.
Okay. I'll see you guys
Okay,
Thursday.
well, my phone is working now. Okay, it's working now.
Okay.